Here I have OMODA and let me show you how to turn on or off the brake pitch control. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now let's choose here the apps icon. From apps, you can choose here the vehicle settings. So this icon with the car, let's open it. Now you can use the left menu. If you open the left menu, you can open the driver assistance, and here the last option is brake pitch control, as you can see right here in the down right corner. So what it does, this is an advanced electronic chassis control feature designed to stop the nose of the car from diving forward when you hit the brakes and skidding when you accelerate. It subtly adjusts electric motor torque and brake pressure distribution to keep the car's body completely flat during braking. Leaving it on a high, like I have right now, ensures maximum passengers' comfort by stopping the seat sickness jerky feeling during stop and go city traffic. So it's quite useful, especially if you have somebody with the seasickness. You can enable this feature right here, and you can also choose the sensitivity of this. It could be low or high. You can decide which of the level you would like to use. Let me keep it on the high level. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.